Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q7 door panel. First, gather all your necessary tools to ensure a smooth process. You'll definitely need a trim removal kit to avoid damaging surfaces, along with a T20 torque screwdriver for specific fasteners. Also, prepare a soft, clean surface nearby where you can safely place the door panel once it's detached. This preparation step is crucial for protecting both your car and the panel itself, making the entire procedure much easier and safer. Next, begin by carefully prying off any interior trim pieces, such as the speaker grille or decorative inserts, using your trim removal tools. Work slowly to prevent any scratches or breaks. Once the trim is off, locate and remove all visible screws, which often include a T20 torque screw behind the door handle or under a small cover. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to these trim pieces. Now, with the screws removed, use your trim tool to carefully work around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic retaining clips that hold it to the door frame. There are typically about 10 to 12 clips around the perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. Be mindful of any remaining wires or cables still connected, such as the door handle cable or window switch wiring, and disconnect them. Finally, once all connections are detached, you can fully remove the door panel. Place it on your prepared soft surface to prevent any damage to its delicate components or finish. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and all electrical connections are securely reattached. Double-check that everything functions correctly before fully securing the panel. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your life a little easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.